Hello guys, this tutorials will help you to picking colors forms as per index based and layout effects point case behalf. Just pointing to selecting colors forms, different index counter based and different color selections conditions point of views. So figure 1.0 displaying lot of color index row based and doing effect as per selections conditions point of views and also text message window used for text message point of views. So can see that right tick conditions effect based on selections point of views. In this phase can see that different color selectings as per different color index flow cases and updatings main text window colors behalf of selections ratio index point of views and reflections to main window easy waste. Here just implementations tracks message windows by using code flow based and layout point of views using vs tracks, hes tracks just for creations based selecting pickers rows or text message windows. So figure 1.1 inside see that codings or arrow based indications to different view forms. Here just portfolio for creating horizontal dottings row with different colors forms point of views and also using overlay keyword just for adding right checks images as per index based and updating effects clicks on tab gestures forms point of views. So figure 1.2 inside see that dots layer rows points of view conditions behalf. Nothing too different, just dot rows for different color forms and horizontals flow point of view. So figure 1.3 inside see that all view forms. Just point to model view class, setting the logics forms based and adding variables or function in case of actions point of views. Just like a addings, removings, or dottings others performance. So figure 1.4 inside, see that all conditions flow statements.